Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our smart band. To do it, simply tap on the screen. After you wake up the screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Now, scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down, find the option called System and select it. And here, find the option called Restart and tap on it. And then tap on the check mark to confirm and basically reboot your smart band. So let's tap on it. And now let's wait until the smart band is done rebooting. Like this. And that's how you soft reset this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.